back to my YouTube channel. My name is Martha, the Wifepreneur. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. And to the old subscribers, to my tribe, thank you so much for being here once again. So as you can tell from today's title, we're going to talk about 5 digital products that you can sell and make money in 2021. We are tired of being broke. And 2021 is just a month away from now. So for us to make money in 2021, you have to start planning now. So we have to put strategies in place now so that when 2021 comes, we just start making money. So we want to make money while we are sleeping. In today's video, these digital products that I'm going to talk about or that I'm going to share with you guys are passive incomes. So even if you have your 8 to 5 job, you can still do this and earn an extra income, at the end of the month. You just don't necessarily have to wait for your paycheck. And also maybe you're a student, you are also maybe a housewife, or you have nothing to do. You can benefit from these digital products because they don't require you to be working on them every day. Maybe you just dedicate 1 week to do whatever you have to do. And then once you're done, when you start selling, you sell this content for a very long time. And in this long time, you just have to edit or update your information depending on the information relevance. It could be maybe every 2 months, 4 months, 6 months. It just depends on the information relevance. And when you update, you just put more value and so that people can come and buy from you. Let me first explain what digital products are. Digital products are products that you sell online and they have no physical form, meaning you cannot touch them, you cannot fill a website, you cannot touch an ebook. So that is just what digital products are. So that is the greatest thing about these digital products. This world, we are moving digitally. We are leaving all the papers and everything behind. The first example is ebooks. Say for example, maybe you're an English teacher and you want to share, maybe the basics of English, right? There are a lot of people around the world who do not know how to speak English. So you may start by writing an ebook about the basics of English, the rules and what. I'm not an English teacher, so I wouldn't know. So yeah, guys, you get the idea. You can sell it in Canada, you're in Namibia, it doesn't matter the time difference, you still get your cash. The second example is audio files. Audio files, we talk about, podcasts. Perhaps you are a motivational speaker and you want to encourage someone, especially now in these difficult times like we're going through because of COVID. Others, we have lost all our mental power. So you just want to give someone, you want to share a word of comfort and just start podcast. You can, record yourself talking about these things. The third example is templates. Templates, let's say for example, you are a good graphic design. Not all of us are good at graphics. Some of us just enjoy looking at something and say, oh, this is a nice picture, this is a nice layout and things like that. So as a graphic designer, you can perhaps help content creators like myself, maybe to design a website for them so that they can just adjust that website to their need. Maybe perhaps add color of their person, of their brand, add images. And the fourth digital product is webinars or workshops. Okay, you are good at these Instagram strategies. For example, maybe you know how to use hashtags. How about just invite people to a workshop, teach them how to write or how to use hashtags. Last but not least, masterclasses or courses, almost the same. Mini courses, almost the same. Maybe you want to train people how to start businesses. You can do all this as a masterclass, as a webinar, as mini courses. As a masterclass, it means it's going to happen once. It's a big class, maybe of 1 hour, 2 hours, where you are going to teach people strategies, tools, frameworks that they can use to build their business from ground, to up there. The main courses are mostly in many cases are pre-recorded, so it's up to you. You just offer that course, they watch the videos, maybe 3 videos in a day, 1 video a day if you are there, so lazy. So guys, those are the 5 digital products that I wanted to share with you that you can actually make money from in 2021. So one might ask, how can I sell these digital products? These digital products can be sold as PDF. They can also be sold as streaming files. Streaming files is an example of the workshop that I was talking about. Your students or the clients can stream online with you as you are teaching them, or as you are working through the workshop, as you are working with them through a workshop or maybe a webinar. So, for example, if you are doing Zoom, that's an example of a webinar. You can stream that. That is actually live streaming. And also you can sell these digital products as videos, like I've mentioned in the mini courses and the courses as well. You can also sell these digital products as MP3 in terms of the audio files. If you want to share now the audio files, an example of an audio file, it can also be, some people like me don't really like sitting down and reading books, what poor daddy wrote about XYZ, and like some of us we just prefer listening. As I'm doing my dishes, I want to listen to something. I can be listening to a book. So it helps me to multitask. As ladies, we like multitasking. So yeah, that is a few ways that you can sell these digital products, or the few forms. Sorry, not ways. These are the forms of which you can sell your digital products. Another question that might come up is, where can I sell these digital products? You can sell digital products anywhere online. You can Google right now. You can have a long list of places where you can sell your digital products, but I'm going to give you 3. All right. The first one is Instagram. If the second place is also on Shopify, I know you can open a shop on Shopify that sells digital products, but of course you need to pay a fee for that. The third place where you can sell your digital products is on your WhatsApp. You're on your WhatsApp status. If you have a business WhatsApp account, you can also do that. And if you also want me to share some tips and tricks on how to use your WhatsApp for business, you just let me know, so that I can also upload a video where I show you how the WhatsApp business account works. Alright, so let me know in the comments what you think about this video, or what you think about these digital products. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. It's where I actually share a lot of such content as well. Maybe easier ways for you to understand through my reels or through my posts. When you read through, maybe you can understand and pick a thing. So go follow me on Instagram so that you can see the behind the scenes, how I actually do the things and the things, you know what I mean. In my next video, we're going to talk about 3 strategies of a profitable digital product. So for you to have a profitable digital product, there's certain things that you have to follow. There are certain things that you have to follow for you to have a proper digital product that can sell. Because you can't just write an ebook and expect people to buy from you, just because you feel like you like the topic, just because you think people need that information. But no, sissy, you can write the whole ebook, but at the end of the day, if your clients don't need it, they're not going to buy it from you. So please watch out for my next video where I explain 3 strategies. Yeah guys, so thank you so much. Let me know in the comments what you think. See you in my next one.